Popular question that I can see is many people are giving IIT Jam this year and think looking for some advice what to do because it's very nearby now, about a month left. So here is what I would say. Now this is the last month, but since from Jan 1st itself, what I would have done is now you have already studied a lot. You have given 3 years of BSc, or if you have taken gap more than that, so you've given your time for that was required for the concepts and whatever learning of physics that you wanted to do. Now is the time you focus for the entrance exam. I personally myself am not very exam oriented or entrance oriented. What matters to me is the physics concept, whether you understand it. It doesn't matter if you can clear entrance exam or not, but that is the most important part. But in India, the situation currently is like you have to go through entrance exam, you have to give that exam, and that one exam sets or opens the gate for your uh, next degree or whatever you want to pursue next. So it is more or less, it is a must that everyone has to go through. Bottom line is that entrance is a must and we all have to go through it. So we have to do some things for specifically for entrance. So since it's the last month, what I would suggest is now you have already done the concepts that you could do till you had time. Now it is the time to focus on problem solving, because that is what is required finally to get you through the exam. And different exams have different patterns. So I'm just saying, let's just take the case of jam. People could be giving TFR just as well. So the important point right now is just focus on the concepts that you have already covered. If you think that there are some topics that you couldn't cover by now, and there are topics that are there in the syllabus but you have not touched on it, let it be. Just focus on the concepts that you have already done and focus on them and start getting regular. So you need to gain momentum now. You need to get into the exam mode. You should not. Uh, so you basically, if you get in the mode, you basically have to be in the problem solving mode. So what you can do is now you can start solving previous year's question papers, or giving mock tests, or joining test series, or even you can try solving other question papers, because basically physics is the same. It doesn't matter which question paper you can. There are other options. You can take question papers from previous jam, just net, TIFR, or you can take JEE or even KVPY. So the concepts of physics that you are required are more or less the same. So what you need is problem solving mode, I would say, because in life it is not necessary that you solve when you have a problem you need to solve it in 5-10 minutes, but when it comes to entrance exam you need to develop the skill of solving the problems within the given time frame. So that is very important. Second thing is, don't panic. It is fine. It is just an exam. There are a lot of options out there. Even if, let's keep this point for after exam. Right now, just focus, do the problems, and find out the questions that you are not able to solve. The questions with concepts you know, but you are not able to solve the problems. So focus on those problems and try to understand, try to learn what is the trick to get through the problem, because these are the concepts that will help you in clearing jam. One more thing I would say, that in the last 1 or 2 days, just before exam, don't get too panicky. Just relax. You don't even need to study or do any solving at that moment. You just need to keep your mind fresh at that time. So just relax those moments. And one more necessary thing, it's a very important thing that you get familiar with the interface of the exam. The exams are computer based, for example jam. So you have to get familiar with their specific interface, which is a very common and a good one. It is very user friendly, but you still, when you go to the exam, it should not be that you're looking at it for the first time. So just go to the jam website. They have their mock tests, so you can see the what is the paper pattern. Most of you might already know what it is. Just look at the paper pattern, and also see what are the options. Like there are different options like mark for review, answer and mark for review, skip, submit, etc. So just get familiar with that. And also one more important thing is you have to use the virtual calculator that is provided by the exam itself. So uh, try that calculator, do some calculation, because that could be a very tricky part and you can end up spending a lot of time on it. So these are some of the points that I would say are important for people who are appearing for JAM right now.